Nakausap po mismo natin si General Torre at malamang po ay nagkaroon lang ng konting misunderstanding. Pero muli, the President appointed General Torre as the General Manager of MMDA. He took his office. He is now actively performing his job as the General Manager of MMDA. And for his optional retirement, he will receive full benefits and emoluments as a 4-star general.
So, ibig sabihin po ba nito ay maililipat na o willing na siya na ilipat yung 4-star rank niya kay General Jose Melencio Nartates?
Yan po ang sinabi natin sa kanya.
Pumayag naman, ma'am. Okay na sa kanya yon, accepted na niya.
Accepted po niya yun. Dahil po tinanggap niya po ang posisyon na ito, alam niya naman po kung ano po ang maaaring mangyari at muli, ang mangyayari lamang po, siya po ay tatanggap ng benepisyo, full benefits, at lahat ng emoluments as a 4-star general.
Okay, so wala na tayong magiging problema doon.
Wala na po.
Okay, salamat po, ma'am.